Today we will learn digital thermometer using Smowcode. So first we will open Smowcode. Then in the right hand side we see 3 bars. Click on it. Then in project select new one. Then we can give project name. Don't leave any blank space between. Then create project. Then bring the cursor on the screen. Right click on mouse. Then we will search on interval. We can move it using cursor. Then we will search THT11 read node. We can also move that using cursor. Then we will join the 2 nodes. Then double tap on THT11. Then we can see here pencil icon. Click on it. We can see pin number. Put pin number 18. So you can see the unit Celsius. We can change it if we want to Fahrenheit or Celsius. So add, then click on done. Then we need a display. So again same process, we will find display node, move it using cursor, then join using cursor. Then we will see the text what we want. So temperature or humidity, we need to check temperature. So click on it, select done. Then we will save the project, then verify it.